Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer, and welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, where we are at war with Castile. We are gonna knock them out. They are currently pathetic in terms of fleet power, and we're just gonna finish them off. Well, kind of. We're gonna finish off their ability to do stuff. Okay, this fleet is gonna bombard. This fleet, this one with the Admiral, he's gonna go here. I gotta keep an eye on the date, which reminds me. 2292. So right about 2290, so in 6 months, we're probably gonna declare another war. And who just, Governor Wilberto Dolfi. I don't remember what he's doing, but there we go. Okay. That's actually a pretty good sized fleet, 1.1k. Is it all cruisers? And is anybody following me? No, I don't think so. Yeah, let's get the first fleet down. Let's just finish these guys off. I don't want to take that on. There we go. There we go. Okay, merge up, folks.
System survey complete.
Okay, there we go. 6 on 1. I'll take 6 on 1. I like 6 on 1. Let's do it. Trinic. Hey, this is a system that actually belongs to us. And we now know what's there. Cool. Cool deal. There we go. Okay. Now, what's going on in Yelbarasta? Yeah, 6 on 1. I'll take that. And that's just our fleet, not everybody else's fleet. Oh, these guys are being left behind. Who is this? It's the big blue blob. Are those battleships or cruisers? It's hard to tell.
Hostile fleet engaged. Hostile fleet engaged. Hostile fleet engaged. Hostile fleet engaged. Construction complete.
This is not going to go well for you, dude. They're going to try to leave? I bet you they try to leave. Oh, crews are gone. Nice. With that done, let's attack this. Yeah, finish the spaceport off. Then actually, this science ship, when you're done, I need you to come up here. We're not going to end up with this system in the peace deal, which means that we need to, yeah, get our science ship here first. Okay, no, let's blow this up. Yeah.
Construction complete. Hostile fleet engaged.
What is this? Are you blowing up defenseless space stations? Probably.
Hostile fleet engaged.
What's going on?
Hostile
what is going on?
Engaged.
Yeah.
Hostile fleet engaged. Hostile fleet engaged.
There we go. Now there's an actual hostile fleet.
Hostile fleet engaged.
This guy's gonna jump out. Which is fine, we don't need him dead.
Construction complete.
We could build a battleship right now. That could be neat.
Situation log updated.
And what's this? Yeah, let's go beat this up. Wait, are you engaged currently? Yeah, you are. In what? With what? Oh, you just have to blow this up. This hostile mining station. Yeah, it's so hostile. Right. Oh, construction ship. And, another ship. Construction ship. Yeah, come down here. Build a bunch of mining stations. Keep doing that. Schiaparelli, where are you? Oh. Turns out, Salish people are right there. Okay, well, that's a thing. Hey, Byzantines, do we have border access with you? Yeah, we do. Alright. Schiaparelli? Oh. Yeah, we can't actually get out here without taking on the Ming. Okay. Come over here. Survey system. Survey system. Survey system. Survey system. Let's just finish this off. Okay. Now, where's First Fleet again? And why do you just insist on beating up on things that aren't actually that important? Excellent. Now, go here. Hang on. Oh, there's a frontier outpost here. Why? I'm gonna leave him with that. He shouldn't have a frontier outpost. He's got a settlement. Yeah, that's weird.
Hostile fleet engaged.
What? Oh, there's stuff here. Oh. Didn't actually want to deal with this. Doesn't actually do me any good.
System survey complete. Situation log updated.
Science ship Cassini. Sweet. Okay. Where are you exactly right now? Over here. Okay. Come here and research that. Yeah. What is this? Oh, that's a transport fleet. Yeah, that's not going to work out for you very well. Sorry, Castile. Not this time. %72% more score.
Engaged.
Is that going to be enough? Not quite.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Okay. That's 78% more score. Let's go back to... Actually, this is where we split up. We've pretty much destroyed their ability to do anything worthwhile. Actually, let's take a look. Yeah. Can't tell from here if they have a spaceport or not. Oh. Why don't you finish whatever battle you think you're doing? This mining station! Let's destroy it! A new ruler has been elected. I wasn't even looking. Our empire has chosen a ruler for the next term. Food plus 10% and minerals plus 10%. Oh, that's really good, actually. What's your mandate? Again with the frickin' separatists. No! No! No separatism. Not allowed.
Situation log
How come it
updated.
takes so long to to do that? To take those out? I don't get it. Mining stations. Okay. Are you actually gonna get shot at? I don't think so. Nope. Okay. That's what we're gonna do now. First Fleet, come over here. We will blockade this spot, and then we will blockade this spot as well. And that should finish the war, I think. Actually, we'll split it up. We should be able to split it up into four distinct spots. So, for instance...
Research
not what I
complete.
wanted. Not what I wanted. Okay. Split. Split. Contarini. blockade that. Second fleet. Actually, the bigger one. Yeah, the bigger one. Blockade that. Third fleet. You were just here. So why don't you blockade this? What time is it? Okay. Just one moment, please. Alright, let's resume the blockades. There we
Hostile fleet engaged.
By whom? Second fleet. Yeah, that poor construction ship. That poor construction ship. Okay, and then 2290. Ooh, it's about time. What do you guys think? Probably the biggest thing is going to be these guys. I say we take on the Papal States. A couple of reasons. One, they're far away. They're not really going to be able to do much. So one of the things we're going to want to do, we're going to want to declare war on them. Take a bunch of their stuff. And then, actually, I think, like, the Teutonic, they're if anything, they're going to go after the Teutons. I mean, they may destroy this stuff, that's fine. It's a bit of a loss, but it's not horrible. Okay, so we're not going to vassalize nobody. Nobody gets vassalized here. I'm sorry. So with your... Also, there's almost certainly a frontier outpost here. And there's almost certainly a frontier outpost here. Those are both going away. Just so you know. In fact... Oh, that's a tropical world. Oh, that's too bad. I was going to say we'd settle that, but we don't have tropical. So, we're going to declare war right the crap now. With your Ishnor, Ginog, Nimolon. That's 98%. What do you guys think? Let's do it? I think we do it. They're called pathetic. We should be able to pull this off. We should be out of this war fairly soon. Let's confirm. Declared war. Excellent. Technology research. Gene tailoring. Oh, this is going to be huge. This is going to be huge. Unlocks policy. Leader enhancement. Selected lineages. Leader skill levels. Leader lifespan. This is actually really good. Xenozoo. Yeah, we'll get on that someday. But this is a purple. Purples are good. 40 months. Whatever. Make sure that we're not missing out on too much. All right.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Where? Third fleet. Oh yeah.
Debris analyzed.
Oh, what is this? Resource storage full. Energy credits. Oh, okay. Give me a minute. Oops. Well, let's do the debris analyzed first. So plasma, phase disruptors, excellent. Plasma throwers, excellent. Excellent, I'll do that. Okay, who among my... sectors needs money? You guys, you need money. Zara is fine. Yeah, the rest of you guys are fine. But here, have like 1,000 credits or something. In fact, here, Tenedo, have some more. Just have more. There you go. You know what, you should probably have some more, yeah, some more minerals too. I'm gonna do this. Murano, you're doing great. Guess what you're gonna build me? Build. Battleship, heavy hitter. It's gonna take over a year to build, but that's okay. Alright. Science ship. I think you can take this. Research project, do that. The other ones are going to actually be in our territory. So we can afford to wait on those. But these ones have to be done like now. Are we going to deal with this debris? No, we're not. That debris is crap. Okay. We had 85%. Negotiate. Okay. Minus 22%. Peace offer. Okay, so we need 96% peace offer value.
Situation log
get
updated.
Fairly soon. What's that? Separatist mandate? Just more debris. Probably just more debris. How many blockades do we have? There we go. And we should get one more. They're on their way. 94%. 94%. Come on. Where are you? Oh. They're going to shoot at things. And 100%. There we go. Negotiate. Take it all, kids. Force demands. There we go. The best possible outcome. Okay. Your victory is only yet another test of our faith. In the end, the true believers will prevail. Yep. Yep, the true believers will prevail. Excellent. Missing in action. Cassini. First Fleet and Third Fleet. There we go. Okay. Let's get all of our fleets figured out. First things first. I want to take a look at a couple things. So this is our new stuff. What do you have here? Okay. I'll explain what I'm looking at in a sec. Ooh, Ambizia is in our territory. Yeah! I want it. I want it. I want it bad. Okay. And then Spiram. Spiram 4, specifically. Okay. They have a monument to purity. Monuments to purity are something that only certain types of governments can build. Or no, it's only certain trait holders. Xenophobes, specifically. Okay. Which means I'm actually going to keep that. You. Do you have a monument to purity? No, you don't. Okay. So then, in the end, what we're going to do is this. You even have a spaceport. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Okay. We're losing a lot of money. Not for long. Empire. Zara, you're not gonna like me. You're not gaining much at all. You're about to be losing a lot of money. Managed sector. Take that. Wait, why can you not take that? Take this and this. And that, but not Spiram. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay. Still have too many planets. So we'll finish this. Somebody else needs to end up in a sector, and it's gonna be these guys. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to go to war with the Hansa. They're equivalent though, they're gonna be our only one. Ooh, superior fleet power. Wonder how long that's gonna last when we get a battleship. Okay, Paros. Empire. We're at 5 of 9 sectors, we can deal with that. There we go. Finish. Thank you. Okay, we're no longer losing money. I'm guessing that Zara is not losing money. Interesting. Okay. Don't know why. Unemployment. We have unemployed pops because nobody here is doing anything because everybody's pissed off. That's pretty much what's going on. So this is just going to be a thing for a good long while. This is their home world. They're not happy about any of this. And at some point, Oh, when they are no longer angry. Although I don't know when they're going to not be angry. Their ethics diversions will actually go down. We'll see when that happens, but this could be like 10 years. The only reason that I keep these guys in my territory is because of this monument to purity. It's plus 10 happiness, and that's really... It's only one way to get that if you're a democracy, and that's to steal it from someone. So, there you go. And we have several ships who are missing in action, which is fine. Oh, I don't think you finished that debris either. Missing in action, inactive buildings. Yeah. Okay, there we go. A few timed projects, most of which are now in our territory, and we will we'll play with that as we get the chance. We missed the one in Breglar. I actually didn't want the stuff in Breglar. Tourists and Touristics. Very cool. Very cool. Excellent. Ambizia. Oh man, I want Ambizia so bad. It's so cool. Okay, second fleet. You come back to Venezia. Upgrade fleet. I did do a little bit of upgrading. It wasn't a ton. Where is my new battleship gonna be? It's gonna be here. Vassalization request. The Aztec Empire vassalized Castile. Oh ho ho! Really? You did that? Alright. Sure. First fleet. Where are you? Go back to Venice. Upgrade fleet. Okay, assigned ship. Where are you? You're in Churusix. What are you doing? You do not have border access to Churusix, so come here. Research this? No, I don't want that. I want this. Right? Oh no, not that. That's the Tassergoid. Science ship. There should be a project here. This is mine now, right? Are you just stuck? I think you may be just stuck. Where is he? No, where is he now? Okay, he's there. Okay. Give me research. And then come over here and give me some more research. No, not that one. Not that one. Survey that. Then go all Tassergoid on me. Yeah. We'll finish up our zoo. Offer peace. Diplomatic response from Castile. Okay, there we go. We've declared war. Finish some things. Third fleet, come back to Venezia. Upgrade fleet to latest designs, and there we go. Scientist Sebastiano Carniola has upgraded. Or whatever. It's not the word for it. But he has upgraded. Yeah, the Papal States aren't even doing anything. They're not playing at all. Teutonic Order.
Upgraded. Construction complete.
At what point the Teutonic Order start moving in on our enemies? Construction ship, Da Vinci. Good work. Still gotta move down here and get these guys though. Desert World. Desert World, interesting. Build mining station. Let's get, while we're here in Venice, let's actually pick up a couple more corvettes, just because. Let's get some damage ones. Actually, let's get a couple of torpedo corvettes. Might as well. There we go.
System survey complete.
Where was that? Ah, yes, over here. We're now over here by the Byzantine Republic. Checking out this last little corner of stuff. Good times. Good times. Hey, how much do you guys hate me? Minus 25. Yeah, that's probably the best we're going to get. I just want to make sure they don't hit minus 75, because if they do, they declare war. And that would be really, really bad. Okay, they have declared the Aztec Empire their rival. Very good. Branca completed the construction of a mining station. Very good. Fleet upgraded. Fleet repaired.
Complete.
Oh yeah, a new spaceport. Where's Lajkut? Here. That's right. We have a new spaceport. Isn't that neat? Thanks, Zara, for doing that. Okay.
Debris analyzed.
Yeah, what did we get? Nothing? Nothing. Oh, that would get something. That may have been their transport ship. Let's wait till this is finished. What do we got? Hostile fleets present. Where are you? Oh, you're here. Oh, interesting. The Papal States. Yep. 2,094 dudes. Okay. Well, let's see what we can do about that. But I think we're gonna see what we can do about that in the future. Well, no, I really am curious what 30%, 34, 35. What's he doing? What is he doing? Where'd the Papal State Fleet go? Oh yeah, he's going into Teutonic territory. Oh yeah, we'll see how well this goes for you. Yeah, let's see how this goes for you. Yeah, why not just wander into Teutonic territory? Building has been ruined by Castilian repatriarchs in Yatru. Yeah, well, that's gonna happen. As long as they didn't destroy the, they can't destroy the monument to purity. They can damage it though, and we can
Debris
rebuild it.
analyzed.
There we go. What do we get? Physics research. Oh, it's probably the best we're gonna get. Well, I think that's what we're gonna get. We may not even finish this. We'll finish this. We'll see what happens. But unfortunately, I think we've gotten all we can. Although that's still saying something. Let's take a quick look at here. So we're doing Physics Lab 3, Physics Lab 4. Okay. I do want to point out that we got quite a bit of progress. Quite a bit of progress towards phase disruptors. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's the next level disruptor stuff. So let's do it. Let's do it. But until then, oh yeah, let's go back to that. But I think that's the state of things. Our fleets are nearly ready for prime time. We'll assemble them and wander on down over here and blow up some Papal State stuff, and yeah, just do what we do. When are we gonna no longer be the president? Ooh, not very long. Not very long. So we're trying to make the most of this. We're trying to make the most of this. Well, I think we've done what we can. And I really do look forward to seeing what we can pull off. Svenico. Yeah. Why are you unhappy? Oh, xenophobes. We're gonna have to play with our planets a little bit. I have 33,000 minerals to play with as well. I think I may have to build a couple more battleships, just because battleships. I mean, come on. But that will all have to wait until another episode. So until then, I did enjoy myself this time. I really did enjoy myself this time. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I look forward to seeing you next time.